Hi everyone, Hannah here and welcome back to another episode of Insta360 TV. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different because we've been very luckily invited to an event hosted by Indian Motorcycles where there's going to be around 300 of these beastly motors at this event in this really cool city called Xi'An here in China. It's a very historical city. I don't know if you guys know the Terracotta Warriors, but there's a lot of culture and history here that we also want to check out and see if we can get some cool travel shots while we're here. However, little curveball, in my usual style, I just assume that it's sunny everywhere, perfect shooting conditions. However, it is freezing and it hasn't stopped raining since we arrived. So instead of my optimistic vision that I had before I got on the plane, it's going to be more of a challenge of what shots can we get with these challenging environments, but I'm definitely up for it. So we're going to head out with some of the bikers now whilst the weather is nice, then check out the event, then we're just going to scour the city and see what we can get. So let's get to it. Okay, update, still raining, still freezing, but it's, aww, hello baby. Aww. I don't know if it's sorry. Okay, update, still absolutely sending it down, still absolutely freezing, so we're gonna be cultural on the inside and we're gonna be focusing on some fake drone shots with a 3-meter selfie stick here at the Terracotta Warrior Museum. Before we go in, I don't wanna make too much noise, I'm gonna give you guys some top tips for when you're shooting indoors, especially when you're traveling. 3-meter selfie stick for the fake drone look. Make sure that you plan out the shot beforehand. You don't wanna hit anything. As if you were actually flying a drone, you need an A to B and then the end result is gonna be a lot more cleaner. Another note, if you're always in low light environments, always make sure to select low light stabilization in the camera before you shoot so you don't get too much noise. And if there is still a bit of noise, remember you can always go manual to get rid of that flicker. So let's get to it.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky.
Okay, so behind me is the security guard. I can confirm a lot of warriors, but also we can't get very close, so the selfie stick strategy is definitely for the win, but definitely also need manual settings. Low light is giving us a lot of flicker, so all should be good. So I'm gonna go swing around this stick and then we can go have more fun in the rain.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding dotted line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't. It can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top.
When night fell, the rain stopped, so long exposure night shots were the goal for the evening. For that, you just need interval shooting mode, set the shutter to 1/6 of a second, ISO as low as possible at 100 because there was a lot of light, white balance on auto, and we shot around 240 still images over a period of approximately 30 minutes. After that, we drove around the tower for a hyperlapse shot, put the two together, and this is what we got.
So, last stop of the day, of course, has to be food. So we've came to one of the most famous food markets here, Hoi Min Je. And we've got my main man Kay, who's been doing all the BTS shots during this trip. He's gonna get a nice hyperlapse while I, of course, go and adventure all of the food. Looks insane, so.
It's so sticky.
Oh my god.
Oh, what now?
This marks the end of our Xi'An motorcycle trip, and I have a few reflections for the end of this episode. Number one, it's always fun to shoot with motorcycles, especially really big ones. Number two, if it rains, wait until the evening. If it doesn't rain, shoot at nighttime, you can get some good shots. Number three, if it keeps raining, shoot indoors, but always use manual settings. That's my reflections. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and hit the notification so you can join our weekly episodes every Tuesday. Thanks again for watching. Chase Adventure, and I'll see you next week.